Hi, my name is Sebastian. Since I was a kid, I always dreamed to fly. I've always been fascinated by airplanes. The first chance I got, I studied to become a pilot. I also love flying my racing drone. And I guess I'm one of the few lucky ones who can fly a drone and an airplane. I love how I can do flips, rolls with my drone because of the higher power to weight ratio, which I can't do with my plane. But it's a different experience flying a plane compared to flying a drone. What's it like flying a drone vs a real plane? Let's find out together. Let's go to work. This is the Air Adventure Flying Club, and I'm the Chief Ground School instructor, and I teach you navigation, meteorology, air law, human performance, communications, and more to get you your pilot license. So how does it look?
Yeah.
Now, an AVCO like Cumming A320 direct drive engine needs 8 quarts of oil to be full. Now, is this SAE 40, SAE 50 straight mineral oil or ashless dispersant oil?
Yeah.
Keep up the good work.
ஐயோ என்ன சொல்றானே புரியல வேலையை பாப்போம் மறுபடியும்.
Now this is a Cessna 172, the world's most famous general aviation aircraft. Now I have something inside, come and see. It's my racing drone. Racing drone, Cessna. They both fly, but now let's compare the controls. Now here I have my control column. Now if I turn my controls left and right, I'm controlling the ailerons, which will make the aircraft roll. Now if I pull back, this will pitch up, and push forward, it will pitch down. And under here we have rudder pedals. So if I push on the left pedal or right pedal to make the aircraft yaw left and right. Now throttle is here. We have throttle here in the middle. When I increase throttle, as I push the throttle, I increase the engine RPM, making the propeller spin faster, creating more thrust. All right, are you ready? Let's fly. Clear prop.
November Charlie Uniform Base 0, request start up flight climb 130, 4 hours endurance. November Charlie Uniform, set approved and click to CP area YPG 1,500 feet.
With the plane, you'll have to file a flight plan, have ATC clearance. You know, there's a lot of responsibilities that a pilot has to have, especially if you're carrying passengers and crew. But with an aircraft, you can fly higher, faster, and further, and enjoy the clear blue skies and feel the true forces of gravity. It's an amazing experience. Now that was a good flight. Hold on. Allô? Mon amour? Pas encore? Oh là là. Maintenant? D'accord. J'arrive, mon amour. So much as I love my drone, rain or shine, my plane brings me to mon amour. Prop and standard setting have 48-inch climb, 50-inch standard, and
That's
52
the
inch
founder
for
of
cruise.
A-Adventure Flying Club, that's Andreas Walters, and he just discovered a real cool piece of technology, and you know, pilots and all, right, they love technology. Check it out, he's having so much fun with the gimbal. We're going to have an awesome piece of behind the scenes video.
I like it.